Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to walk you through a simple and straightforward process on how to create a fast ZVPN UDP config and use it on the ZVPN Client VPN app to enjoy a fast, stable, and secure VPN connection. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, because every step matters. Let us get right into it. The first thing we need to do is download the ZVPN app. Open the Play Store on your Android device and search for ZVPN. From the search results, locate the official ZVPN app, then tap Download and Install. This process may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so please be patient and wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is done, go ahead and launch the ZVPN app. You will be taken directly to the home screen of the app. Now, before we do anything inside ZVPN, we actually need a UDP config to use with it. So for now, minimize or leave the ZVPN app and open any browser on your device. In your browser, go to the search bar and type UDP Custom, then search. From the search results, visit the official UDP Custom website. This is where we are going to generate our ZVPN UDP config for free. Once you are on the UDP Custom homepage, tap on the menu icon, usually found at the top of the page. From the menu options, tap on Premium UDP. This will open a list of available UDP servers. From that list, look for and tap on ZVPN UDP server to proceed to the next step. On the next page, you will need to select your preferred server location. Tap on Select Location and choose the location that works best for you. After selecting your location, you will be taken to the config generation form. On the config form page, look for the config type option and select ZVPN config. Once that is selected, complete the reCAPTCHA verification to confirm you are not a robot. After passing the reCAPTCHA, tap the Get Config button. Wait just a few seconds while the system generates your config. Once it appears on the screen, carefully copy it to your clipboard. You can do this by tapping the Copy button if available, or by long pressing and selecting Copy.
Now that you have your ZIVPN UDP copied, head back to the ZIVPN app. On the home screen of the app, look for the three dots icon, which is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on those three dots to open the Options menu, then select Import from Clipboard. The app will automatically read and load the config you just copied. Give it a moment to process and import the configuration. Once the config has been successfully imported, you are now ready to connect. Simply tap the Start button on the ZIVPN home screen to initiate your VPN connection. The app will begin connecting using the UDP config you just loaded. To confirm that everything is working correctly, go to the Log section inside the ZIVPN app and check for a successful connection message. Additionally, you can verify that your IP address has changed by heading back to the UDP Custom website and using their IP check menu. If you see a different IP address, congratulations, your VPN is connected and working perfectly. And that is it for today's video. You have successfully created a ZIVPN UDP config and connected to a fast and secure VPN using the ZIVPN client. This method is simple, free, and very effective for keeping your connection private and fast.